Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the topic under for the linear algebra, which is power method. So the previous all the videos which we have seen the solving a system of equation by using the eliminations method. So we have used for the row elementary transformations. So now what you are going to learn that we are going to learn the power method, which is you can able to find that the largest eigenvalue and eigenvector. So before into the eigenvalue and eigenvector, first we will learn what is eigenvalue and what is eigenvector. So usually it will be under the square. We have to define only from the square matrix. So definition, the given square matrix capital A, if there exists a scalar lambda which is real and complex and a non-zero complex matrix capital X such that Ax is equal to lambda x, then lambda is called eigenvalues of capital X is the eigenvector of capital A corresponding eigenvalues of lambda. Okay, so you can take it a given square matrix capital A and I can assume it if there exists a scalar lambda, either it will be a real or complex, and the non-zero complex matrix of capital X, where you have such that what is that Ax is equal to lambda x, then the lambda is called as an eigenvalue then of x as a eigenvector. So this corresponding eigenvalue will get it your eigenvectors. Okay, so to find your eigenvalues and eigenvectors, here as per the syllabus we have a topic under the eigenvalue eigenvector is a Rayleigh's power method. So the Rayleigh's power method, we are going to find it only the largest eigenvalue. Okay, that corresponding eigenvector we are going to calculate from this method. Okay, so basically it is an iterative method to determine the numerically one. Okay, we are going to find a numerically large eigenvalues. Okay, and it's supposed to be a dominant eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of a square matrix. Okay, so we can going to see with the example to understand your Rayleigh's power method. To the first question, find the largest eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvector of a matrix capital A by a power method, given that capital A is equal to 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2. So the question is asked to find a largest eigenvalue and eigenvector of a given matrix. And what is given, generally when you are using the power method, you can use it for type of your column matrix. Okay, so either it's supposed to be 1 0 0 or you can use 0 1 0 or you can use it 0 0 1 or the other one you can use it 1 1 1 if it is 3 cross 3 matrix. So basically it will be a square matrix only you are going to use it, and you can use any of this 4 as a initial eigenvector. So initial eigenvector usually the questions may give and may not also. If they'll give directly you can take it, that is your initial vector of x of 0. Otherwise you have to assume it any of this 4. Okay, here the question is not mentioned anything. So as per my solution, first step I'm going to consider my initial vector. So initial eigenvector, which is x of 0, is equal to 1 0 0. I'm taking it with the initial eigenvector. So always eigenvector should be a column matrix. Okay, so first step what you are going to do, as per to calculate your eigenvalue and eigenvector, as per the definition, what is that? Ax is equal to lambda x, isn't it? That is what we have learned the definition. So a into x of 0, what is that? A value is a given matrix and x of 0, which you have assumed as an initial vector, 1 0 0, which is equal to, you can multiple, you can use the matrix multiplications manually, or better you can choose from the calculator by fixing the matrix. Keep on change only the B matrix, then you can get it answer. Okay, so use the matrix multiplication. After multiplying, I am getting it 2 0 1. So 2 into 2 will be 2, the remaining will be 0, and similar here it will be only 0 and here it will be only 1. That's what is written 2 0 1, which is equal to 2 of 1 0.5. So which you are having a 2, 0, 1, which you have a numerically large. Okay, you're supposed to see which is having a numerically large one. 2 is the highest number that I am going to take out. So what will happen? Here I have a 2 by 2 will go 1 and 0, and this will be 1 by 2. That's what is written. So 0.5. So 2 into 1, 0.5. So 2 is your eigen value. That corresponding vector is your eigenvector. Okay, but this is not your largest one. For 2, this is just the initial one to get your lambda of 1, x of 1. To get your better solution, largest eigenvalue, usually the iterative method, you are going to compare it where your approximately is getting equal, we can stop the step. Okay, so what I have to do? Again, a into x of 1 I am supposed to find out. A into x of 1 is equal to, write your A matrix and then x of 1 matrix and multiplications. I can get an answer is 2.502. So take out the 2.5 because that is the largest one out. So I'll get 100. So which is nothing but lambda of 2 into x of 2. So largest eigen vector. Now you can compare first and second. So it is a 0.5 difference for your eigenvalue which is. So you have to go with next iteration a into x of 2. So A matrix as it is, x of 2 is nothing but which you have got from the previous iteration. 1, 0, 0.8. So what I get? 2.8, 0, 2.6 which is equal to highest one which is 2.8 is the highest one. So I am going to take out a 2.8 of 10.93 which is equal to lambda of 3 into x of 3. So now you can compare again. So again it's not getting matched with their 2.5, 2.8 and inside also you can 0, 1, 0, 0.93. So in that case is what I can do. Again you can go with a into x of 3. What is that a into x of 3? A matrix is given and x of 3 from the previous iteration is 1, 0, 0.93. So what I will get after multiplying, I am getting 2.930, 2.86. So highest one is 2.93. Numerically large we are supposed to see. Then I'll get 1, 0, 0.98. So this is my lambda 4 into x of 4. So you can compare that x of 4 and for x of 3 almost we are getting in here, right? So we are going to find a one more iteration. A into x of 4, I'll get 2.980, 2.96 which is equal to 2.98 into 2.98 you can take out. So 1, 0, 2.96 by 2.98 will give 0.99. Now again you can compare. So it is 2.93 and 0.98. So eigenvector is almost okay, but eigenvalue is a little different is that. So we'll go with one more to get a better solution. So after reaching a into x of 5, fifth iteration, I can get the answer is 2.99 of 1, 0, 0.997. Compare your fourth and fifth iteration, you're getting a equal. So it is for, what is that? I can get that answer. See, we has made it some more. If you do one more iteration, what will happen? It remains same. 2.99 only you will get. So after that, whatever iterations, it will be almost same. Okay. 2.991, 0.99. So 5 and 6 also almost same iterations we got it. With the largest eigenvalue for the approximately it is for 3. And then the corresponding eigenvector is 0, 1, 0. Okay. So this is your solutions. So we'll go with one more example. Find the dominant eigenvalue, that means largest eigenvalue, okay, and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix capital A, 6, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3 by power method, taking the initial eigenvector as 1, 1, 1 transpose. So what is that? In question itself has been given eigenvector, okay. So what is it you have to do? You have to consider this will be a x of 0. That's it. So now go with the solutions. A into x of 0 is A matrix into x naught. Okay. So what is that? 604. Which is the highest one? 6. So take out the 6. You will get 1, 0, 0.67. Which will be lambda of 1 into x of 1. And then again what you have to do? A into x of 1. So A matrix into x of 1. This one from the previous iteration I will get x of 1, 1, 0, 0.67. After multiplication you can see 7.34. See, when the minus is there, you're supposed to be very careful. You're supposed to take it numerically large. So when you're taking out for the numerically large, you don't need to convert this, consider this minus, and the highest one is there, you have to take out that term. Only the numerical terms. So lambda will be always as a positive one. Eigen values. So 7.34 minus 2.67, 4.01. Okay. So now you will be having highest 7.34, 1 minus 0.36, 0.5. Again, obviously, you have to go the next iterations to get your better solution. So a into x of 2, I am getting 7.82 of 1 minus 0.46 and 0.57. So after reaching here a into x of 3, I am getting 7.94, 1 minus 0.495. So it is 7.82 and 7.94. So what I am going to make? I am going to make one more iteration, a into x of 4, which I got almost is near 7.98 of 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So now you can see a into x of 5, you will get exact answer. So we have reached it. For 8 is highest one, a into x of 5, 8 of 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So we can tell this is the dominant eigenvalue is 8, and the corresponding, that 8, that corresponding eigenvector, which is x of 6, is nothing but 1 minus 0.5, 0.5 transpose. Okay. Or you can make it as a full digit number. So what is that? 2 minus 1, 1 equivalently. Okay. So this is here finding the largest eigenvalues. We are going to use the Rayleigh's power method. Okay. That's all. Thank you.